Hey guys, it's Kim and welcome back to my channel. Today, little Alexander is gonna be accompanying me with my ALAMAR Cosmetics review and eye tutorial. ALAMAR Cosmetics just launched their new ALAMAR Cosmetics Reina del Caribe 2 palette, which is this one right here. They do have Reina del Caribe Volume 1, and I absolutely love that palette. Let me show it to you guys. Here is Reina del Caribe Volume 1. The colors are so nice and pigmented. Here is the color scheme. I absolutely love them. I actually did a video, well, I did a look using, no baby, you want this? I actually did, sorry, had a little, he wants to steal my palette. I actually did film a look on this. I did a little mini tutorial on Instagram, so if you guys want to check it out, go to my Instagram and see the little look that I did. And if you guys want me to create any more looks, you can comment down below and let me know. Here is a small picture of the look that I created. I actually really like it. And now let me show you the color scheme. This is the colors that come in Reina del Caribe Volume 2. Here are some, oh shoot, I swatched it in the wrong area. Here are some swatches. It's so pigmented. I really like it. I'm excited to film, and I totally showed my chair and everything, but it's okay. And this actually did come with a trio of brushes. I really like her brushes actually. They're really good. And this is the trio that came with this. This one I actually got in my BoxyCharm as well with the brushes, and the Volume 2 I did purchase it on my own because I was excited to use it and see what Gabby came up. So now I'm gonna get started with my eye tutorial, and I hope you guys like it. I'm going to go into the palette and I'm going to use shade Mambo, and I'm using this as a transition layer, so I'm applying it all over my crease so that I can give it this yellow summery vibe. I'm really in love with mustard colors, so I'm using this as a transition shade so that I can apply other shades onto my crease. Next, I'm using Damas, and I'm just gonna apply it over Mambo, and I'm gonna blend it out as much as I can so that the two colors combine onto my lid. And I'm kind of tapping it to give it more color because it does blend out very well. So I want to add volume to the crease so that it looks dark and defined, and so it blends nicely into the Mambo color. I think they'll both make a great combination together. Next, I'm gonna do Flamingo. It's this cute pinky kind of peachy tone, and I'm just applying that over both those shades so that my crease has some Mambo going on there. See what I did? Mambo. And yeah, sorry, but Flamingo, Mambo, and Damas are the three shades that I'm applying onto my lid. Next, I'm going in with this matte black called Caballeros, and I want to create a cut crease halo eye. So I'm just, dabbing it on my corners so that I can just blend out the top into the crease, but I am leaving some space in between my eye so that I can apply more concealer. Well, I am applying concealer, and I'm gonna add a shade on there so that it shines more. Just trying to perfect these lines. It's kind of hard doing a halo eye. Now I'm going into Rumbera, and I'm using my finger to apply it so that it has more shimmer in it, and I'm just dabbing it there. I'm doing that to both eyes. You could do this with a brush, but I feel like the shimmer appears more when you use your finger. Now I'm using my Morphe Equalizing Primer for my face. It's supposed to blur out pores and apply your foundation a little bit more matte. So I'm just rubbing this all over my face. Next, I'm going in with my Maybelline 24-Hour SuperStay. I think the color I have is Classic Ivory. I'm just going to use my sponge to apply it. I'm going to add my Maybelline Concealer to highlight my under eye and conceal it a little bit because I do have bags. And I'm just highlighting my forehead, the bottom of my chin, and I'm putting a little bit of concealer on my smile lines because every time I smile I do notice that it appears more, so I want to try concealer and see if that helps out with avoiding the lines on my smile. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me powder. It's in Classic Ivory as well. I'm just going to use a brush, and I'm going to press it onto the skin and blend it out as much as I can because I do have very oily face and I like matte foundation. Now I'm going to contour my cheeks with the Purse Sculpting palette, and it is powder, so I'm just gonna run it through the bottom of my cheekbones and blend it out as much as I can. I'm going to apply this loose powder on its Maybelline as well, and the color is light, and it's just adding more matteness to my face. As a blush, I'm using my limited edition Blush and Glow blush and highlighter duo from Tarte Cosmetics. And then I'm going to use the Maybelline setting powder, called translucent powder, and I'm just going to press it onto my face to make sure that it reduces oiliness because I do get very oily. Now I'm just going to go ahead and finish my under eyes, and I'm adding some black, the Caballeros shade, to make it look more smoky, more dark, because I was aiming for a dark smoky look. So I'm just gonna finish that up. Finish off this look, I'm going in with my Iluvsarahii Colourpop Cosmetics Sueno de Coco matte lipstick. It's a very cute, cool nude, and I think it'd be perfect because the eyes are already dark, so a nude will work perfectly fine. To finish off, I'm using my Morphe setting spray to set my makeup. So this is a finished look, guys. I did a smoky halo eye because I wanted to use almost every color in the palette, and I almost did. So I hope you guys enjoyed this eye tutorial. I'm going to be doing so many more tutorials for you guys. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Add me on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I have a lot of more looks to do for you guys, and I have many ideas for new videos, so stay tuned. Until next time.